Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about who is the person that you are going to marry. Okay. There's two piles over here. This is the pile number one. This is pile number two. Pile number one is crystal polar bear paperweight, and pile number two is blue colored earring. Whichever you are attracted most, please choose that pile, and I am going towards my reading number one. For those who had choose the pile number one with this polar crystal bear paperweight, your reading is with your this card number two, page of wands upside down. It means that you have to listen to, you are going to listen some bad news. Contact needs to be made with a loved one, and procrastination. Maybe you have to make some kind of commitment to this person. Maybe they have children with previous marriage, or some kind of or they are telling you to take care of their parents, some kind of any kind of commitment or contract with that person, or this is maybe the message is going to be delayed. Maybe they are not listening to that situation, that proposal, and inhibited, or maybe someone had restricted them to coming towards you, or maybe this is because of the miscommunication. What is happening in the world, all over the world, what is happening all over the world, that is because of that situation, miscommunication. And maybe this person is not as good as you are thinking. He or she is not as good for you as you are thinking. And I think that they are not happy with this situation. They are not happy with you. Yes. And with this nine of swords, they are having a nightmares. They are very tense at this time, having burden on their shoulders because of this situation, because of this proposal, and they don't want to marry you. Yes, they are weeping over here, they are crying at this position. They don't want you, having a sleepless nights. Yes, they are not happy with this situation. Okay, they don't want to move forward. They have no courage to move forward. Okay. Yes, the universe is telling them to do it, to go forward, but they are not going forward. They don't want to do it. They are stuck over here. They are not happy in this situation. And with this emperor upside down, this is the sexual violence, importance. He is a person who abused other person. Okay. And he had the negatively controls on this situation. They are thinking negatively about this situation. Okay. And they are misusing their powers. They had the power and they are misusing it. They don't want you, and they are going to stop this thing by their powers. Okay. Sexual harassment, weakness, ignorance, and folly in approaching a romantic interest. They have no courage. Yes, I already tell you that they have no courage to come towards you, okay, because they don't like you, okay. It is not this is not mean that you are not beautiful, you are not good, but they don't like you, they like someone else, okay. Okay. Okay, they are not looking at this situation with a right perspective. They don't want you in their life. However, you are their soulmate. You both are each other's soulmate. Okay, but they don't like you. Okay, they like someone else. Stay optimistic. The universe, the angels are saying you that, or this is the advice for you, that stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. You have to pray for it. You have to um, you have to call your goddess or god or Allah, uh, and pray for them, okay. Okay, now swan is very beautiful and sexual energy, and I think you are attracted to them, and they are very attractive person, so that's why you are very attracted to them. And your desires, this is your desires, these are your desires, and you desire them, you want them, you are thinking about them, you see them as very beautiful and very strong man, very good partner, but they don't want you, okay. Angels de los mortus, okay. Transition to the spirit realm. You have to connect with your spirit realm. You have to connect with Allah, you have to connect with your goddess, your god, your whoever you pray from. You have to connect with that energy, okay. And then this person will come towards you. I want to take some more cards for you, okay. With this ice challenge or frustration, in this situation you have got a challenge to win their heart, to win their love, and you are very frustrated by this situation. You want them now, you want them to love you, and they are not ready for this, they are not happy in this situation. There's You are not alone in this journey towards them. There's your friends, your family, your parents, or someone with you in this journey, or maybe Allah or your God, Jesus Christ, someone is with you, or angels are with you. They are forcing them to do this. They are not doing it, they are not happy with this situation, but the angels are forcing them to do it, okay. Then you have the jellyfish, and they are toxic one, they are not good person. You already know that they only want from you sex, or and not giving you any love or any good thing. They are like a rooster, they are like a cock, okay. And they are very punctual, they want everything done at the right time, on the time. They are not going to let you go if you are late. And with this card I think that person is very beautiful, very graceful, and you are looking at him, you want him, you love him, and he is not even attracted towards you, not even looking at towards you, and something is hiding behind the clouds, and you don't know what is it, but something is hiding. Maybe the help from Allah, help from God is hiding, and maybe you have to learn more about them. watch more readings, and or maybe you have to go to their friends, their family, and learn more about them, or call for help from them, that they force them to love you, or advise them to do it. Okay. Okay. Let parents bequeath to their children not riches but the spirit of reverence. Okay, I think that their parents will do something about this thing. Or as you get that this reading this paper. Okay, with this lagoons, water or leak, dreams, fantasies, mysteries, the unknown hidden. Okay, yes, you have the dreams about them, you have the fantasies about them, and they are hiding. They are not letting you know about them, they are not telling you anything about them, they are not interested in you. And with this 8 energy, they are very stubborn. If maybe they are very stubborn or you are very stubborn, but or maybe both of you are very stubborn, they don't want you and they are fighting over that thing, and you want them and you are fighting over that. Okay, Athena and Arcane. Pride get lost. Don't say harsh words to others. Don't pride on yourself. Punishment turning into spider, still creator or good designer, hardworking after defeated someone jealous of you about your skills. Maybe they are jealous of you. Some you have done something and they are jealous about you, or maybe you have to do very hard work to get them, to get towards them. They are maybe very prideful person. They think that they deserve someone better than you. Okay, and with this other card, Lucifer. Okay, what is this? This is fraud. Despite, okay, think I am better than others, stronger than others, powerful than others, can do everything, want to steal throne from God or others. Okay, thief, fight for that is not our. Liar, lonelier, problem creator. Um, it's maybe for both of you. You want them and they don't want you, and maybe they are fighting for a wrong person, because there is that help from angels for you. They are fighting for the wrong one. Okay, and with that 28, okay, with that 2 number, it's because it's calling that it's telling me that someone's mind is someone has desire for that person, or maybe you have yes, you have, definitely you have the desire for that person, you have the emotion for that person, you have love for that person, and with number 2 they have no emotions, no love, no nothing for you at their mind. Okay, and this is about the what you have in your mind for other person, your emotion for others. And 8, with 8 number, this is very stubborn, very stuck energy to this is the energy of I want to do this and I am going to do it. Okay, yes, this is number 8 is the number of determination, foresight, strength, willpower, business sense, materialistic abilities, strong leadership, and exclusive abilities. Number 2 is teamwork, tact, cooperation, love, togetherness, diplomacy. You have to you need the help from their parents, their friends, and their siblings, their brothers, sisters, to tell them that you are the person for them, you are good for them. Okay, you have to be determined for this. You need a strength or willpower. Okay, and number 1 is the self-determined leader, interior initiator, innovator, stubborn that others cannot immediately sense, very progressive, takes the initiative, lot of enthusiasm, won't try to take any kind of responsibility. Maybe this for you. You have to be like that person. You have to be stubborn to have them in your life. You have to be very progressive, take initiatives. Yes, don't shy in this situation. Okay. With this number 28, courage, energy, determination, you have to be you need the courage, you need the energy to do this. Okay. Determination, very rash and rude. They are very rash and rude. You already know that they are very rash and rude. Okay. Proud, they are very proudy person. The domestic, creating a lot of enemies, feel loneliness, ability to see things just as they are, very good judgment, very active. If temporary, no, then competitive, not making a lot of friends, a lot of ability to judge things with wisdom, balance with emotions, have to use your mental power, impulsive, rude and rash. Be careful for this behavior, sudden intuitions. Okay. They are very rude, proudy person, but if you want them, you have to determine. Okay. That's the reading for you for today. Okay, I will take pen लगा दो. This is a reading for you for today, and I hope you like it. If this resonates you, please tell me by comment section, and please like, share, subscribe, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I am going towards my reading number 2. For those who choose the reading number 2 or this blue colored earring, your reading is they also don't want to begin anything with you. They don't want to come towards you. They don't want this relationship. They are not happy with this. If you ever marry them, they are not going to make you happy. There is no abundance in this situation. There is no harvesting, no pregnancy, no happiness, no anything. Okay. They are not happy with this situation. They don't want you. Okay. And engagement, there is no engagement is going to happen in this situation, because they stubbornly, they are very determined to not do this thing with you, not to marry with you. Okay. Eclipse mermaid, a powerful energy shift. Maybe someone else is coming towards you, or you have some kind of powerful energy to make this happen, or is something else had to happen. Okay. The two little witches are telling you the magical space clearing time, that this is the magical clearing space clearing time, and you have to leave them. Clear that all that is not good for you, that is not giving you anything. Please clear that all. Okay. And this person is not good for you. Fearless ghost and the haunted girl, ghost people, they are not good. They all are not good for you. Not only that person, maybe they all family are not good for you. They are bad persons, or they are dangerous for you. Okay. You are a wise person, you know what is good for you, you have what you have to do. The owl is very wise energy, very very clever. With this owl energy, you are the wiser, understanding hunter. Never or no one knows that they are going to kill you. Silent killer, logical, ferocious, informative, very conscious to truth. Maybe that's all is for them. That is the energy for them. They are very cruel. They are a silent hunter. They want you to they want to destroy you, they want to kill you, they want to do something bad to you. Okay, very conscious to truth. They like to buy a person more than products. Servant makers, maybe they want to make you only for their servant. They don't like you, they don't love you, they don't want to have any relationship with you. Okay, love technical stuff, honor their product and knowledge, wide-eyed, intelligent, perfectionist. Okay, if you can crack the owl person, you can break any personality. Special, demanding, mysterious creature of night, large eyeballs, piercing eyes with a small skull, dangerous, hunts small prey at night's dim light. When nobody can see anything, their eyes allows to contact more light. When there nobody can see anything, nobody can know about that thing, they are going to do that thing. When there is a lot of difficulty in any situation, they are able to do that thing. Okay, magical, spiritual, with incredible vision at night. Their eyelids made them more secretive and wiser. With a twisting neck, they can turn their neck so far back, turner to see the matter at all the perspective. Yes, they can see the matter at all the perspective. Face turner, seeing or focusing through all angles. They are good eaters and can eat anything. Have powerful beak or prominent nose, gets into the flesh or in the depth of situations, easily can ride off things or person they do not need. They can digest all things and information, leaving no clue behind them. Turning ears, that they are good listener. Hidden ears with hidden abilities. Sounds determine. Okay, tilt their heads are one way or other. Mood changer. They are fierce and worshipped by ancient as the symbol of protection. Spiritual leader, death symbols, evil, dark magic, destruction, fright. Okay, death, this is the death of this situation, this is the death of this relationship. They don't want anything to continue with you. Okay, love hate, love plus hate relationship. Yes, this is definitely the love plus hate relationship. But you know the better for you, what is the good for you, what is better for you. Please do that thing but that is good for you. Okay, with this fairy of the highlands, it's time to be brave, to cut them out from your life. Okay, you are brave to cut them out from their life, from your life. They are not good for you, they are bad person. Okay guys, for some of you, they have the dark skin and dark complexions. Okay, and maybe they are from India or they are working in India, and for others they are from Dubai or working in Dubai, or maybe they at some point in their life they go towards that countries. Okay, black eyes, their eyes are black. Okay, maybe they are your friends, you know them, that's why you are asking for them. Okay, maybe they are born at the date of 28 or 29, or maybe you have to listen to something from them at the date of 28, 29 or 21. Okay, with the next card, they are Sagittarius. And they are Sagittarius. and for some of you their name is starting from letter P, or they have the letter P in their name, or letter A. They also can have the letter A in their name, or the letter D. Their name will start with the letter D, or with they have the letter D in their name. Letter H, A, B, A, D, H, R. They have these letters in their name. Okay, maybe they are some kind of star. They are famous person. They are maybe on media. They are actor. Somebody. Lots of people are know them. They are famous personality. Okay, that is the reading for you for today, and I hope you like it. If this resonate to you, please tell me by the comment section, and with lots of love, like, share, subscribe this reading with lots of love, and good wishes. Bye.